As far as Doge support floor, it explicitly is presently $0.056 in an especially certainly huge manner incredibly. Dogecoin cost examination actually basically is bullish today in a significant manner. Dogecoin actually especially has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064 in a very enormous manner. Doge fall 0.66% in 7 days, kind of additional appearance how Doge fall 0.66% in 7 days, or so they explicitly thought. 24 December 2023, in this video we will explicitly walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly clarified pressing issues, facts, what generally is truly momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin, actually basically is Doge a very wise venture, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical in a significant manner. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on, showing how Doge fall 0.66% in 7 days, truly further appearance how Doge fall 0.66% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner amazingly. However, prior to jumping commonly profound into the Doge specialized examination, generally let us basically discuss the very especially current economic situations. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there sort of really was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,678,108,084,033, which generally is very critical. The kind of in every way that really matters, complete exchanging volume certainly generally remains at $59,916,753, or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,651.29 level after a decay of 0.24%, by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking, in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally essentially has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours in a kind of large manner. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $114.03, following a value change of 18.2% inside a similar time period in a truly significant manner. BNB, the very local coin of BNB, most certainly really is somewhere near 0.23 and right now exchanging at $269.10, amazingly. Moreover, XRP came to 62 cents in the wake of seeing an elevate of 0.45% in esteem, which in every practical sense is very critical. These occasions certainly generally show that the market in a real sense is going in a descending bearing for most certainly present moment, in every practical sense, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking, which is genuinely critical. Right now, a for the most part sort of broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market and in every way that really matters, significant way. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to especially certainly distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally, has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours. Kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Support most certainly by and large is a level at which purchasers entirely become in every way that really matters, all the more for the most part dynamic, and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any sort of additional in a very significant manner. Similarly, opposition actually in a real sense is a level at which merchants explicitly become move fundamentally kind of dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, in a real sense is at $0.094, up 0.82% in the beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 0.66% throughout the week, exhibiting that Dogecoin cost examination by and large is bullish today in a genuinely enormous manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC essentially is 496,410,501.00 United States dollars, while kind of all out, market cap came to $13,364,447,390 United States dollars, showing how Doge fall 0.66% in 7 days. Genuinely further appearance how Doge fall 0.66% in 7 days in an especially enormous way. There truly are practically 142,367,726,384 basically are available for use out of 142,367,726,384. So Dogecoin cost examination explicitly is bullish today and in every way that really matters, quite huge way. Dogecoin value examination Doge cost investigation for 24 December 2023, inside a truly everyday time span. Basically made sense of beneath, showing how BNB the truly local coin of BNB truly is somewhere near 0.23 and as of now exchanging at $269.10 in an unpretentious manner. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving sort of in every way that really matters, normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving certainly truly normal, EMA, to generally sort of break down the future development of the Dogecoin. Showing how Dogecoin in a real sense sort of has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064 in every practical sense, significant way. While Doge's Williams %R pointer certainly is, the MACD line by and large basically is remaining beneath of the really signal line after a hybrid, so market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours, there for the most part especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,678,108,084,033, pretty especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin financial backers need to explicitly hang tight for any directional change over the kind of everyday outline, which generally shows that the MACD line basically is remaining underneath of the really signal line after a hybrid, so market examination over the last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,678,108,084,033, which fundamentally is very critical, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The very relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the Dogecoin certainly is in oversold stage, as RSI truly is at 24, which for the most part shows that we utilize certainly commonly relative strength index RSI. Moving commonly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense, straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving genuinely normal, EMA, to explicitly truly dissect the future development of the Dogecoin, showing how Dogecoin truly has a medium-term opposition at $0.064, or so they for the most part explicitly thought. Ends from the specialized investigation, the genuinely by and large pattern of the Dogecoin certainly in a real sense is as yet negative, notwithstanding, the value activity could by and large shows an endeavor